Hello, friends! Welcome to Fun with Fruits and Vegetables. Today, we're going on an adventure full of colors, flavors, and lots of fun. Are you ready to discover the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables? Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome. We're so excited to have you here with us. Today, we're going to explore together and learn about the importance of fruits and vegetables in our daily diet. It's going to be an amazing experience. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure into the world of fruits and vegetables, or as we say in Spanish, frutas y verduras. We're going to discover how they're grown, how they get to our tables, and why they're so important for our health. Get ready to learn amazing facts, discover tasty treats, and explore how these colorful foods make our bodies strong and our taste buds happy. Did you know that carrots are good for your eyes and strawberries are full of vitamin C? We're going to switch between English and Spanish, just like we're flipping through the pages of a magical book. Each page will lead us to a new discovery, and we'll learn new words in both languages. Don't worry if you don't know all the words yet. Learning a new language is part of the fun. Each new word is a key that opens the door to a world full of knowledge and adventure. So, buckle up, grab your imaginary shopping basket, and let's dive into the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables. We'll visit markets, gardens, and kitchens, and we'll meet people who love these foods as much as we do.
Are you ready? Let's learn, explore, and have fun together.
Let's go, adventure awaits. Did you know that strawberries are the only fruit that wear their seeds on the outside? Yes, that's right. Each tiny seed you see on the surface of a strawberry is actually a fruit itself. How cool is that? It's like having tiny sprinkles on a delicious red treat. Plus, strawberries are not only delicious, but they're also packed with vitamin C, which makes them perfect for keeping us healthy.
And speaking of red, did you know that watermelons are technically berries? Even though they don't look like it, these refreshing and juicy fruits belong to the same family as cucumbers and pumpkins. That's one giant and juicy berry. Plus, watermelons are made mostly of water, which makes them a perfect choice for staying hydrated on hot summer days.
Fruits come in all shapes and sizes. From small and round to big and long, each one has its own unique personality and benefits. Some, like blueberries, are small and packed with antioxidants. These little blue fruits are known for their memory-boosting and heart-healthy properties. Others, like pineapples, are big and prickly on the outside, but oh so sweet on the inside. Pineapples are not only delicious, but they also contain bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion.
Every fruit has a story to tell. From how they grow to the benefits they bring to our health, each one is a small miracle of nature and a unique flavor to share. Whether sweet, sour, or a mix of both, fruits offer us a burst of flavor in every bite. So the next time you see a fruit, stop and think about how amazing it is. Not just for its taste, but for everything it offers us in terms of health and well-being. Enjoy every bite and celebrate the wonder of fruits.
Now let's move on to vegetables, or as we say in Spanish, verduras. These green, orange, and red wonders are like superheroes for your body.
Broccoli, with its little trees, is a powerhouse of vitamins. Carrots, with their bright orange color, help us see better. And spinach, just like Popeye eats, makes our muscles strong.
Eating your veggies helps you grow big and strong. They give you energy to play, learn, and have all sorts of adventures.
Remember, every time you eat a vegetable, you're giving your body a powerful boost.
Section 5, Red and Juicy. The wonderful world of watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit that is not only delicious, but also very versatile. Let's talk about watermelon, or sandia in Spanish. This fruit is known for its large size and green rind, but what really makes it special is its red and juicy inside. This big green fruit with a bright red inside is a summer favorite. There's nothing like a fresh slice of watermelon on a hot day to cool you down and brighten your day.
It's super juicy and helps you stay hydrated on hot days. Plus, it's an excellent source of vitamins A and C, which are essential for maintaining good health. Watermelon is like a big refreshing smile on a plate. You can eat it in slices, enjoy it in a fruit salad, or just bite right into it. Make a fun fruit salad that is not only delicious, but also very colorful and appealing to the eye, or even blend it into a delicious smoothie. Watermelon smoothies are refreshing and perfect for any time of day. The next time you see a watermelon, remember how fun it is to eat and share it with friends and family. It's not just a delicious fruit, but also a wonderful way to bring people together and create unforgettable memories.
Section 6, Green and Crunchy. dive into the deliciousness of cucumbers. Now let's dive into the cool and refreshing world of cucumbers. These green veggies are crunchy and refreshing.
They're great in salads, sandwiches, or even on their own with a little dip. Cucumbers are made mostly of water, which makes them perfect for staying hydrated. They're like a little drink of water wrapped in a crunchy package. So next time you're thirsty, grab a cucumber and enjoy.
Section 7, the power of purple, from eggplants to grapes. Purple is a magical color, and it's found in some of our favorite fruits and vegetables.
Eggplants are shiny and purple on the outside and have a soft and creamy inside. Grapes are little jewels of sweetness. They come in green, red, and of course purple. Purple foods are full of antioxidants, which are like little helpers that keep our bodies healthy. So next time you see something purple in the fruit and vegetable aisle, remember its power and give it a try.
Orange is the color of the sun, and it's also the color of many delicious fruits and vegetables.
They're packed with vitamin C, which helps keep our immune system strong. Oranges, just like their name suggests, are a burst of juicy sweetness. They're full of vitamin A, which helps our eyes see better.
Carrots are crunchy and slightly sweet.
Eating orange foods is like giving your body a ray of sunshine.
Yellow is a cheerful color, and it's found in some of the most fun fruits around.
They're perfect for a quick snack or as part of a delicious breakfast. Bananas are like little smiles you can peel and eat.
They're delicious on their own or in fruit salads. Pineapples are tropical treats with a spiky outside and a sweet, juicy inside.
Yellow fruits are not only delicious, but they're also packed with vitamins and minerals that keep our bodies healthy and strong.
Sometimes fruits and vegetables like to play hide and seek in our food.
You might be surprised to know that ketchup is made from tomatoes, and tomato sauce is a key ingredient in many pizzas and pasta dishes.
Avocados are often used in smoothies and even chocolate pudding. They make healthy fats taste delicious.
So next time you're eating something delicious, see if you can guess if there are any secret fruits or veggies hiding inside.
Eat your colors, little explorers.
Congratulations, little explorers! You've traveled through the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables, learning amazing facts and discovering delicious treats.
Remember to eat a rainbow of colors every day. From red strawberries to green cucumbers and orange carrots, each fruit and vegetable has something special to offer.
So, keep exploring, keep trying new things, and most importantly, keep eating your fruits and veggies.
Bon appetit!